Hello guys, we already know how to look like our first part of this video, and that was our output of first part. Now we need to jump second part. In this video we will cover our full application in here. Okay, let's get started. Okay, at first I need to add a dependency in my Gradle dependency. Okay, go to this Gradle script, build.gradle. Inside this builder Gradle, inside dependency, I need to add this library. I will give this link in my description. Okay, our Gradle script built successfully, and now go to this main activity file, and now we don't need this activity main file because we just use this main activity file. I need to declare a method in here outside this on create view. On create, I need to declare one start because each time we need to show our alert dialog or welcome skin. Okay, now I need to create this alerter now this alerter dot create main activity dot this dot not set duration. Okay, I need to remove this dot here to there. I need to set title welcome. Now dot set text hope to we hope you to be happy. And now we need to give this kind of quotation mark. For this quotation mark we need to give plus sign both of this sentence side, and also give this and also this. Now give a this sign. Okay, yeah, and now in here also you can do this. Okay, this, and now set title not set title, set icon. We need to add an icon at first. Go to drawable, new, image assets, action bar and tab icon. We need to select an icon. Okay, I select this face icon and not hollow dark, actually this. Next, finish, and now set icon dot drawable dot what's name, IC action name, dot set duration 5 seconds dot why this. Okay, dot set background color range dot color primary, and now set enable progress true dot set progress color dot color accent. Now it's time to show our alerter dot show. Okay, we missed one thing. We missed this swipe system. enable swipe to dismiss. And now we complete our coding part. I am pressing Ctrl Alt R for auto generating system. Okay, we already complete our design and also coding parts. Now it's time to run our application. Okay, our app runs successfully without any error, because in coding life without error, coding life is impossible. Here is our app, my screen demo, and I click this my screen demo and it will come to show, wow, welcome screen, a progress bar and a beautiful gradient transparent background. And now I want to run my app again. Okay, swipe, yeah, oh wow. Hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.